I have stepped out onto the Studio 5 Plaza with horticulturist Sheriden Hansen, who is giving us hope about our ragged lawns, a result of the hot summer, low water, and a long cold winter. So do, please, friend, give us some hope. Will they turn around?
Oh, absolutely. You could definitely turn around a lawn. I mean, I've had lawns that were mostly weeds and dead and brown, and yes, you can, there's hope. You can definitely fix this.
If that lawn can do it, yours can too.
Absolutely.
How? What are the solutions we're reaching for?
So there's 5 things that you can do. Number 1, you want to aerate. And aerate this spring, you want to start thinking about aerating this fall. And this is that core tine aerator that takes out the core and leaves the little plug behind and makes your lawn look so funky for a while. Yeah. Great way to reduce compaction and improve water nutrients getting down into the roots. The next thing is your mowing height. We want to mow during the summer at a height between 2.5 and 3 inches, which is much taller than a lot of us think. We have this mindset that our lawns are golf courses, and they're not. We want that height to retain water and shade those crowns. Other things that you can do, fertilization, adding some nitrogen fertilizer. So when you look on the bag, it says 2100. Those 2 back numbers should be 0, which means we're only adding nitrogen. Nitrogen is that first number. That's going to give us green, and it's going to promote growth. And if you're in northern Utah, you want to do that in the spring a couple times, and in the fall a couple times, back off in the summertime. Other things that you can do, water appropriately. This is a smart controller. If you can put in a smart controller, there's rebates out there. Do some research on where you're at and if those rebates will apply to you. And this will help you get the water down perfectly to the grass. Okay. Last thing to do is to respect that growing cycle. So we're going to think about if we're using cool season turf or warm season turf. If you're in southern Utah, you're probably using warm. You're going to get growth in the summer. If you're in northern Utah, you're using cool season turf. We're going to get growth in the spring and in the fall. Okay. So thinking about that, when to apply fertilizer, when the growth is happening.
All right, good steps. And that brown patch that's sort of gone to the weeds?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to look at it, scout for insects, treat your insects, take care of all those problems. That will also really, really help you establish a healthy lawn. Do all the things we've talked about, and it's going to get beautiful.
It's going to bounce back. Yeah. We have hope now. Thank you so much for the marching orders. We appreciate it.